Did you know that you're likely placing your tire dressing on a dirty tire every wash? Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to show you how to ensure your tire is clean of contaminants before you apply any sort of dressing. First off, this isn't a sponsored video with the product that I'm using. I'm just a fan of superclean because of its versatility in and out of the home, and of course its cleaning power, which makes my life a lot easier. And the only tools you're going to need are superclean, water, and a brush. First, spray the tire effectively. This will remove some of the surface debris so we don't scrub in those abrasive materials. With superclean, there are endless uses for this cleaner degreaser. Here's a chart that I keep for dilution purposes, but you can easily source this from their website. When you look at the auto section, it states tires are full strength, so you can use it straight out of the bottle. This cleaner is safe for all tire types, including classic white wall rubber, and it prepares the surface for every quality dressing. So what you want to do is spray this generously on a wet tire and agitate it with a medium to stiff brush. Now let's let it dwell for a moment. This cleaner is designed to cleanse all elements of your car from rubber to chrome. It will soak deep into the porous structure of the material and loosen that accumulated dirt and contamination. Now what it's doing is preparing the surface prior to a quality dressing. So we'll scrub it the first go around and then reapply the cleaner to see if the suds are white. This is key to ensure that all the contaminants are removed, because one of the most common mistakes when cleaning a tire is not checking to see if it's fully degreased. Now, if you've ever wondered why your tires turn brown, the real cause is a process called blooming. This blooming, or tire browning, occurs because of an element added to the rubber called antioxidant. Antioxidant saves the tires from prematurely drying and cracking due to the process of oxidation. It's a continuing process that can be prevented by thoroughly cleaning and protecting the tires. Tires bloom because antioxidant pushes its way to the outer edge of the rubber casing with time. And as the element comes into contact with oxygen, it leaves a brown residue on the surface of the tire. Antioxidant helps tires last longer as it slows down deterioration due to oxidation. This is what makes it possible to manufacture long-lasting, high-mileage tires. In addition, new tires may bloom relatively quickly due to the manufacturing process, and this is tied back to the mold and the way the tire is released. Mold releases are non-stick lubricants put in the tire molds. They help to release ready tires from the molds freely. Some of the lubricant usually remains on the tire, so it may contribute to blooming after just a couple of weeks of driving. Now let's rinse off the tire and apply a second coat of superclean, and then we'll check to see if the suds are white. And of course, repeat this process until the suds turn white. Only then will you know that your tires are completely clean from contamination and the dressing will last as recommended. Since our super clean is white, you can rinse and then apply the dressing product of your choice. There you have it. With superclean, you're armed with the latest techniques to completely clean your tires. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.